Good morning. It is time for our third quarter goals setting workshop. And it's time to pull out these bad boys, our yearly planner, so that we can dive deep into July, August, and September. So we have had 2 workshops already. So for those of you that have already done the workshop and are coming in to do your implementation for the next quarter of the year, you guys just bring your daily planner, your weekly planner, and your yearly planner to the workshop. And for those of you that are new, you just have to register so that you can get the planners sent out to you before the date of July 17th. So that is going to be the date. The time will be 9:30 in the morning. So wake up, do your exercise, have your breakfast, and then make a tea, and then go and set up in your room, because this will be held on a virtual space via Zoom. All you need is 1 hour of distraction-free time. You can have any beautiful music that you want playing in the background. And I'm so excited for this next quarter. It is only 6 months left until the end of the year. So I really want to dive deep on this one to make sure that you are proud of yourself at December 31st. I want you to make sure that you have achieved your goals. And if you haven't been achieving your goals, don't stress. Just come on in, show up. We'll reflect on what's been working or what hasn't worked for you, and we'll find an action plan for you. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, just register with the link. It's $20 for those of you that are returning members, and it is $69 for those of you that require the 3 planners as well. So get in quickly so that you can have your planners posted to you as soon as possible. And that is about all. Have a beautiful day.